In this video, you'll learn how to connect DEXTools to your Phantom wallet. By the end of this guide, you will be able to seamlessly trade on DEXTools using your Phantom wallet. Begin by navigating to the DEXTools trading page in your web browser. Once the page loads completely, you will see the user interface with various trading tools and options available for you. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find a button labeled Connect Wallet. Click on this button to initiate the wallet connection process. After clicking Connect Wallet, a list of compatible wallets will appear. From this list, locate and select Phantom Wallet. This selection will prompt the application to communicate with your Phantom wallet. At this stage, a pop-up window will appear requesting your approval to connect DEXTools to your Phantom wallet. It is essential to review the permissions being requested before proceeding. Once you have verified the permissions, approve the pop-up to establish the connection. After your approval, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Phantom wallet is now connected to DEXTools. You can now use your Phantom wallet directly within DEXTools for trading and other functionalities. Remember to check your wallet balance and ensure you have sufficient funds for trading activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.